Today we are going to make callaloo, dumpling and stewed chicken. So these are all the things that I'm going to use. Okra, 2 packs of okra, some callaloo bush, obviously pumpkin to put in it, some carrots and obviously other seasonings, and then the chicken is defrosting because it was in the fridge. So we're going to get started. That is everything grated and cut up: the okra, the carrot, the pumpkin, the callaloo bush, and I'm going to cut up some green seasoning and get this pot started. So let's move to the stove and get this cooking. So I have my coconut milk here to put in the pot. It's in this cup. It's not very much. I usually just blend my own coconut and put it in the pot, but today I'm using this store-bought coconut milk because I ain't got time to be doing all that blending and stuff, and she's teething and she's being really cranky, so I'm trying to do this as fast as possible. So coconut milk going in the pot. That's the pot all heated. I'm gonna pour in the coconut milk. I usually just pour in the coconut milk first. Well, some of it I pour in half first, put in the bush and everything, and then put the other half. So now we're gonna start adding in the callaloo bush with the okras and everything. So you just scoop it up, put it in. Alright, so everything is in the pot. I'm just gonna let it simmer down a bit because if you can see, it's basically a removed pot. I can't stir it or anything. I'm gonna let it simmer down just a little bit, and then I'll add my salt and seasonings and all that good stuff. So let me give this about 5 minutes and then come back. So now that it's simmered down to a certain extent, you could go add your seasonings. Now your salt, your pepper, your green seasonings, your onions, all these things. And you could add some hot pepper. Some people put a whole pepper, but I have a baby that eats food, so I can't put no whole pepper in here. But you could add basically whatever types of seasonings you want to put in here. I just usually add salt, black pepper, green seasonings, and some seasoning peppers and those things. So now we're about to move on to the dumplings. So we add in flour. You add how much you need based on how much people you're cooking for. I'm making cornmeal dumplings, so I'm going to put cornmeal in there, some sugar, and some salt. You add your water and you knead this up real good. The dough is all kneaded and ready to put in the pot, so I'm going to roll them out into individual dumplings and put them in the pot. I can't really record that because I'm using my phone, so sorry about that part, but you all see it when it's finished. Dumplings are done. I made them into little bite-sized pieces because I hate big giant dumplings on my plate, so that's why they're in a little tiny balls. But dumplings are done. So I swizzled my callaloo with my swizzle stick, and now it's, you know, looking like it's done. So I'm just gonna taste it, make sure it has everything tasting good and stuff in it, and then we'll move on to the chicken. Next step, stewing the chicken. So the pot is on the stove, heating. We're gonna put some oil. Now we're gonna put the sugar in the oil. And we're gonna let that quote unquote burn. Well, not burn, but get all brown and caramelized. Alright, so it's fluffy. Now we're gonna add our pieces of chicken. Stay clear of the pot because you can get burned. So stir it up. You add water. I just added a little water. And again, add some coconut milk and our seasonings. You could add pigeon peas if you want to. You could add lentil peas, or you could add potatoes to this if you want to. But I'm just making a sauce with it, with the chicken, so I don't think I'll add pigeon peas. Seasonings are added, so it's cooking. So we let that cook until the chicken is nice and tender. And that is it, people. My dumpling, callaloo, and stewed chicken. And not looking the best because at the end of the day, I am not a chef, so I can't play it all fancy and whatever, but I bet it tasting good. So that's it, people. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. Share this video with all of your friends. Like it if you like us. And comment down below what you want to see me cook on my butter pot series. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on the island. Bye bye.